I'm personally a proponent of Ayurveda and of a holistic lifestyle. I did Panchakarma about a year ago, and I'm looking forward to doing some Panchakarma now, which is the turn of the season. But we have over 2,000 staff members in the Supreme Court. Our colleagues, all the 34 judges of the Supreme Court who carry tremendous stress of the daily work, reading the files. And I thought it's important that we look at a holistic pattern of living for not just the judges and their immediate families, but also the members of our staff. And through the staff, we can sort of propagate this message for the rest of the country on the benefits of this time-honored tradition of Ayurveda. I'm deeply, deeply grateful to all the doctors, to the Ayush. They have a wonderful facility at Saket, but we are bringing this now to the Supreme Court. And each of the doctors who've contributed to this has been very scientifically prepared, the facility, whether it is preparing anti-skid tiles or treatment rooms, ensuring that the restrooms are consistent with the nature of the treatment which is taking place. So it has been looked into with a very great deal of care by Dr. Nesri and her entire team at Ayush. So we are unveiling this to the Supreme Court and through it to the entire nation.
So do you practice Ayurveda and yoga in your daily life?
Yes, I do. I woke up this morning at 3:30 to do my yoga. And of course, I follow a vegan diet myself. For the last 5 months, I'm completely vegan and I'm continuing it. But I try and focus on a holistic pattern of life, which begins with what you eat, of course, and what you put into your system. From the Ministry of Ayush, welcome to this center. I won't take more than 1 minute. I just want to say that I have been associated with the work of Ayush since COVID broke out. I had a very bad attack of COVID, and the Prime Minister called me up and said, I believe that you are down with COVID, and I hope everything is fine. I realize that you are not in a very good shape, but we'll do everything. And then he told me that हमारे एक वैद्य हैं और वो हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब भी हैं आयुष में, डॉक्टर कोटेचा, तो इसलिए उनके साथ मैं आपकी मुलाकात करा देता हूँ फोन पे, वो आपको मेडिसिन भेज देंगे. And I took medicine from Ayush when I was down with COVID. The second time and the third time that I had COVID, I didn't take any allopathic medicine at all. Even Dr. Nesri was a little worried about my adventurism, but I was sure that I will recover faster. And because of Dr. Kotesha, I got to know Dr. Nesri and her very distinguished husband, Dr. Manoj Nesri. I always say you don't know who is more eminent because they are both brilliant like Dr. Kotesha. So I wanted to share with my colleagues that we have today over here, thanks to Sonowal ji and Mahendrabhai, the best talent in the country in Ayurveda, and they have very graciously agreed that their doctors are going to attend this facility. The facility will be open from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening, consistent with the fact that we finish work only at 4 o'clock in the court, and will be open 7 days a week. So all judges, their families, and our 2,000 plus staff in the Supreme Court. I'm very concerned about our 2,000 plus staff because they don't have the facilities like we have as judges. And I want them to have a holistic pattern of living. I myself did Panchakarma last year with Ayush, very closely monitored by their entire team, and I benefited greatly. I wanted to thank the Minister, Sonowal ji. As I said, he is part of us because he has done his law, where he told me a short while ago that he didn't really practice. Insofar as the Minister of State is concerned, it's unique. He has treated, he's a medical doctor, he's an MD. He has treated 1 million patients as a cardiologist for 2 rupees per patient as consultation. I'm happy that this facility now comes to the Supreme Court, and I believe through us we'll be able to spread the message of Ayurveda across the country and beyond. I know that their team travels internationally. Dr. Manoj Nesri himself is a very renowned international expert on regulation. So many of the doctors here have all, this is Dr. Manoj Nesri, Dr. Kotesha, Dr. Nandram, Dr. Prashant, all of them, they've all treated me for something or the other. And I have wonderful results. So thank you very much.